Welcome. Today I'm with TCL 6100 series and I'm going to show you how you can move this soundbar to the pairing mode. So I will show you that it works on the TV and also on the smartphone. So the first step, we have to grab our remote control and tap power button to turn it on. So let's click on the power button, and right now we have to find Bluetooth button and then click and hold it for a few seconds. Let's click and hold until you hear this notification sound. So right now, when you open the Bluetooth settings on your phone, for example, as you can see, the TCL appears on the pairing devices, and the same when you go back to the Bluetooth settings on our TV. As you can see, it's at the bottom of the list, and we can pair it, for example. As you can see, we are successfully connected. So all you have to do, just turn on your soundbar, click and hold the Bluetooth icon until you will hear the notification sound, and this LED indicator start blinking on the blue color. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.